Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your phone's Bluetooth is on, battery above 20%, and the R15m is powered. Put the R15m into pairing mode, usually a long press on its power or Bluetooth button, because that broadcasts its name. Once done, open your phone's Bluetooth list and watch for the R15m identifier. Make sure to move within 1 to 2 meters and disable other active Bluetooth connections so the phone can see the R15m immediately and avoid false pairings. After the R15m appears on your phone, tap to connect and enter the PIN if asked. Default PINs are often 0000 or 1234, but check the device label. Once paired, accept permission prompts so calls and media can route correctly. This allows audio profiles like A2DP and HFP to work. If the R15m has a companion app, install or open it now to finalize settings such as EQ, firmware updates, or device name. Doing these steps complete the process by testing playback and making a quick call to confirm microphone and speaker routing. If audio doesn't go to the R15m, choose it explicitly in your phone's media output selector or in the companion app. For flaky links, check for firmware updates on the R15m and restart both devices. This often resolves handshake errors. If pairing keeps failing, forget the R15m on your phone, clear the phone's Bluetooth cache, then reinitiate pairing. That single troubleshooting tip usually fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.